1, 2, 3. Hello! Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my sister Molly, and as you can see, there are a lot of unicorn products in front of us, and that is because I am making all of my sister's dreams come true today. That's right, Mo. Mo's favorite animal ever since she was a little baby has been unicorns. Yep. So I thought it'd be fun to surprise her and order all of these unicorn products and just try unicorn products all day. Is this the best day ever? Have I done good?
Pretty wonderful.
Oh! Okay, so before we start this video, if you like unicorns and you like being good to your sister, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video.
And I want everybody out there to post unicorn emojis down below because it is the best emoji.
Yes, and we want this video to have the most unicorn emojis in the comments ever existed on YouTube.
Ever.
Ever. That's the title we are going for.
The most unicorn emojis
in the comment section.
Ever.
Molly, as you know, unicorns are magical, so let's use a little bit of magic to move these products out of the way. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3, snap. Whoa.
Here we go, first one.
Oh my gosh, so this is a unicorn balloon making kit. Like when you go to parties and they're like, here's a cute dog, here's a cute flower. Look at this one, you guys. They make unicorns.
It's so cute.
Have you ever done balloon art?
No.
Me neither. So let's open this up and try to do some.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I hope there's instructions.
Okay. It's just a couple steps.
But they're supposed to look this good.
How? Before you start, give each balloon a good stretch. Underinflate your balloons. This will help when learning to model.
I see them at the parties. They're like, hey, what do you want me to make? Cool. Give it a twist. Ow! Ow! Oh, wow.
Is that gonna... Is that 2 or 3 inches?
Look at these are so weird.
How is this gonna be a unicorn?
Molly, I made you a unicorn.
How did you tie that?
I'll do it for you. Ow, I have my fingers stuck in there.
No, get it out.
Ow, it's really tight.
Wait, let me grab this in. Here, get it up. It's tied.
I think that your first reaction is it's tied versus like your finger. My finger's literally red now. I thought these would be like fun for kids and not like, you know, painful.
It says for 8 and up, so.
Give it a little twist. Well, it didn't even stay.
Okay, then you want like 2 nuggets. You want a big nugget and then 2 little nuggets.
I'm running out of space here. No! I gotta use my leg, I think. Okay, wait, we gotta figure this out. I can't lose my work.
Oh my gosh, look.
How did you...
Okay, whoa.
Did you just like become a mom and then you can do balloon art? How did you do that? I got new techniques. No!
You just wanna help with this one?
I'll tie it. I can do it. Boom!
I'm just so scared of it popping each time you twist.
I'm not... Molly, that never happened.
Wait, how many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Well, how do we do this now? It just goes from that and this and it's done.
Yep.
It just says put the first bubble through the head.
How is this gonna fit through there?
I don't really know.
I'm gonna fudge it.
Mo is off script. I mean, this is not what it says to do.
There she goes. Okay, the meme got weird. She has a ponytail?
Yeah, she can have a ponytail. She's getting real weird now. She's got a lot of hair. Connect it down here. Shove it right in there. We've done it.
Can I just say the directions are not the photo on the box?
The photo on the box.
That right now?
The photo on the box, just this is the horn. And then in the directions, they tell you to put the first bubble in. Look, Ridley's Games, we love unicorns and balloons are fun, but maybe have the pictures match the instructions and maybe put some more instructions. Again, free advice, so take it or leave it, but
Okay, I mean, she's
This
gorgeous, but it was a little more difficult than anticipated.
Mo and I both graduated from college, okay? And what I'm saying is if we can't figure it out, maybe we're not the problem. Here you go, Mo. That worked up quite the appetite. So look what I got for you, Mo.
Some cereal!
Isn't these cute?
Okay, there's no way this was around when I was a kid. Otherwise, I would have only eaten this for breakfast.
This is so cute. It's unicorn cereal. It's also limited edition,
Ooh.
fancy, and the back has like a coloring book.
Ooh, oh my gosh, look at the side. It says, what's your unicorn name? Let's check.
What is your unicorn name?
Take the first letter of your name, so M.
R.
So I'm Violet, you're Daffodil.
Daffodil.
And add the month you were born. I'm Violet, Spirit Dancer.
I'm June, so what am I?
Daffodil Cloud Jumper.
Daffodil Cloud Jumper and Violet Spirit Dancer. Oh my gosh. Are these our unicorn names
Yeah.
or are these our Festival Coachella names?
Both.
Okay, Molly, let me pour you a bowl.
Magic Cupcake, naturally flavored.
These taste like
Are you
cupcakes?
serious? Magic
Oh,
Cupcakes. I
shut
think.
up. I'm all pouring myself first.
Wow, full bowl.
Oh, we gotta get, Molly, we need, look at these.
Okay, that is kind of magic cupcake.
Okay, and I also for you, Mo, I got some almond milk. So let's get this going. Okay, let's taste it. You ready?
I'm pretty excited about this.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. That really does taste like a sweet cupcake.
This is delicious.
Like that tastes like dessert.
What's your favorite cereal, Mo?
This one.
Okay, this product was a win, everybody. Woohoo! Mo, which unicorn product would you like to try next?
What are those kits over there? What are those ones?
Okay, so I found these cute little things at paper stores. These are Melting Sparkle Unicorns by Cupcakes and Cartwheels. They're ages 4 and up. And Mo, as you can see on the side of the box, you build a little unicorn and then you watch it melt. And I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, Mo would love these. Okay, let's open these up, Mo, and let's make some little,
Okay.
oh look, this is so cute. Little unicorn horn, little tail. Oh, what's the instructions? Don't eat it. I'm going to try hard mode. I'm going to try to make it look like the box because my balloon unicorn was such a disaster. Let's do this. We need 2, and the head's a little smaller, but not too small. Oh, wow.
Ooh, that is slimy.
This reminds me of Silly Putty. Right?
Yes.
Like it's a little less slimy, more putty.
Oh, this really takes some warming up.
This also reminds me of fondant. It's the same thing. It kind of has to heat up in your hands.
become
and then it
moldable.
gets softer. There we go. Yeah.
Okay, wow.
That's a body.
I just totally zoned out for the last like 2 minutes. I don't know.
That's what I wanted for you. This is perfect for Mo. A nice,
I was just like
relaxing day as a new mom. That's
Wow.
what I wanted. That was
That
the
actually
goal.
was. My mind was someplace totally else.
See, slime does that. You play
Wow.
with slime and you just chill.
That was nice. That was nice.
Now I'm gonna stick her little horn there and her little face.
Okay, got the face on.
Oops.
A little-
Okay.
A little funky, yeah?
Oops. Her mane is like in her back.
Ooh, mine too. It doesn't
no,
exactly fit.
it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
Oh my god.
no.
She looks
Oops.
like a pig.
A pig corn. Oh
She's
my
a
gosh,
thick-
she's so cute.
She's a thick girl.
Okay, here's mine. What does mine look like?
Yours looks like a sheep with a horn.
I know, mine really does look like a sheep.
It looks like a sheep with a horn.
All right, let's put our little unicorns together. Let's watch them melt. What are they gonna do?
Okay, yours face is already like way lower.
How long does it take to melt?
Yours face is almost touching the ground already.
I thought the melting would go really quickly, but it's actually taking a while. So let's just let them sit here. And while they sit, let's try the next unicorn product. And I think you're going to love this one so much. My fingers are crossed because this also involves our dogs. Who's eating that down there? So while our little unicorns are melting, we're gonna take the next 3 unicorn products outside to try. These from Lauren. These are Lauren DIYs. Mo, I think you're gonna love these because these combine 2 things that you love, your dog and unicorns.
Amazing.
Now, I didn't know exactly what the sizes were, but we're gonna give it a go.
Let's go.
Okay. Hey, ladies, I got us outfits.
Oh my goodness, you're beautiful.
I got so many requests to make a unicorn cake, and not just any, but a very specific cake that looks like a unicorn face. It looks like a unicorn face. Funfetti cake with a unicorn face. I'm so excited. I love unicorns. 1, they're my sister's favorite animal. 2, they're so magical. 3, they make everything better. A unicorn frappuccino, better. A unicorn cookie, better. A unicorn headband, better. We need some rainbow magic.
The next unicorn product we're gonna try is the unicorn pinata. I filled it with candy. We're gonna take it right outside, hang it like off the balcony, and Steph's gonna like move it for us.
Oh my gosh.
And we're really gonna be blindfolded and everything, and we're gonna give this a go.
Who goes first, rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, let's figure that out now.
Okay, whoever
Really?
wins goes first. Okay, ready?
You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom!
You gonna go first. Okay.
Dogs, you can't open this up yet.
Okay, you have to be blindfolded.
Okay.
So before you hit the pinata, you spin 3 times. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now here's the pinata. Right there. You feel it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Go.
Gotcha, pinata! Ah!
Hit it.
We need a bigger bat or something. Oh my gosh, this unicorn has put up a good fight. I can't even find it.
Okay, 2 more swigs, it'll switch. Okay, 1.
2! Okay, let's see how a couple hits in. All right, Mo, your turn. A 1, a 2, a 3, and woo, woo, woo! Yes, Mo. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! It's spinning out of control. Yeah! Ah! Oh my gosh, Molly! The dogs are so excited right now. They're trying to look at Cookie. She's trying to get the unicorn so bad. Look at her. She wants to play too. Yeah, get it, Cookie. Bitch, relax. Here we go. Help her out. Oh no, dog. That's not for you. Oh my God. Why would I walk in front of it? I think we need a bigger bat. I got us a broomstick.
Oh, she's coming for you.
She came for me.
She's coming for you. Yes.
Yes, I can feel that one. Whoa. All right, I'm tapping out, Mo, your turn.
I'm gonna try without the blindfold.
All right.
Okay? Maybe my softball skills will come in handy
Molly,
here.
Molly, get that pinata. Yes. You can do it. You can do it. Oh!
Molly broke the broom.
Oh my gosh, Molly, you broke the broom.
Okay, this girl's made of steel. Okay.
This is metal. I think that this is a magical unicorn pinata and we can't break her, so let's just get some candy out of her.
Okay.
I cannot believe it broke a metal broom.
I mean,
Whoa.
strong, I don't know what to tell you.
She's still in one piece. Okay, let's just get some candies now, Molly, because like I feel
We worked
like...
really hard right there. Oh my God, these are my favorite. Jolly Ranchers green apple.
Yeah, see, I
Yes.
your favorite. All right, this product was a lot tougher than I thought. But now on to our last product, which is a huge inflatable unicorn sprinkler. Woo, 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 woo.
This is our last unicorn product of the day. It's a giant sprinkler.
It's huge.
So we're gonna inflate it inside and then take it outside and hook it up to the hose.
Yeah, and this is my little electric pump, so I'm hoping it has the right nozzle so we don't have to blow it up manually.
That would take forever.
That's what we're hoping, Mo. Let's open this up.
let's do
Let's
it.
sit down.
It's 6 feet tall. That is bigger than the both of us. Oh my goodness.
Okay, turn this puppy on. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, there we go.
That's what we're talking about.
Fit it in there snug.
Okay, go. Okay, we just got her finished. And now we gotta get her outside. We have a big door here, so it's perfect. Will she fit through it, or should I open another one? Oh, she's too busy. Look at that. She can fit right through. Okay, we've got a hose over here, Molly. What are we gonna name her?
Sparkles.
Sparkles.
She looks like a sparkle.
It goes underneath?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming under. Okay, like this. Here, I'll feed
Yeah.
you the hose.
Here we go.
Tell me when you're ready.
I think she's ready. It comes on her horn.
It will?
Yeah.
How?
Do you want to scoot her back?
No, I think this is perfect. And shoot it right into the pool. We'll have like a fountain.
Oh my god, I love it.
Ready?
Ready.
Set. Here she goes.
Ah! Oh my god, it's perfect!
Is it working?
Yes, look, there's even a rainbow in the pool.
Is this all your unicorn dreams come true?
It's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, it's making a rainbow in the pool. There's another rainbow there, so it's double rainbow. Update on our melty unicorns. This is mine over here. Pretty melted. And then here's Mo's over here.
Face plant down. Its mane made it through.
Kind of weird looking. These are pretty fun.
They're kind of silly.
Alright, that does it for all of the unicorn products that I had to try today. A big thank you to my sister Mo for helping me try all of these. I hope you had so much fun today.
That was so much fun. Are you kidding me?
So you're into this?
I'm into everything we did today.
Oh. A big thank you to you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And don't forget to comment unicorn emojis in the comments. Just every comment a unicorn emoji. Let's do it. You guys are awesome. I love you. This is the most ridiculous, fun summer. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Or up here, like a little unicorn.
Yeah,
up here. Or up here. Or up here. Or up here. Bye.
Or bye.